Hi, hello everyone. I am Sabro, working as an air traffic controller here at Gondar Airport Tower. Every day I help planes take off and land safely, and I guide pilots while they are flying in our airspace. I use radar and radio to stay in touch with pilots, making sure flights and stay safe and on time. I also keep an eye on the weather and traffic so everything runs smoothly. By the way, it is a busy job, but knowing I am keeping the sky safe makes it all worth it. Okay, thank you to watch me. Please like, share, and please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next day, tomorrow. Good day.